Dirt crawlspace access doors made of wood or metal have a tough job because they are in an environment near the ground. They warp, rot, rust, and are tough to keep paint on. Basement Systems' Everlast crawlspace door is the answer. The Everlast door is 1/2 inch thick, solid polyethylene plastic, so it will never rot, rust, or need paint. And their hardware is rust-proof too. Most importantly, the door needs to seal outside air off in order to dry your crawlspace and save the maximum on your heating and cooling bills. The Everlast door has a heavy, weatherproof seal to do just that. And the Everlast door has sturdy knobs that allow easy access to your crawlspace. The Everlast crawlspace door will do the job that other doors just can't. Your Everlast door will seal out outside air, last in a damp environment near the ground, and look good for years and years.